consider there is a company called ABC, and there are three different teams that work under ABC company: HR team, admin team, IT team. HR team needs VPN access software and Teams software. Admin team needs Jira and Teams, and IT team needs GitHub, Azure, Teams and Jira. So when a new person joins in this particular team like HR, admin or IT, so system admin will have to give individual accesses to this particular softwares. Like if a person joins under HR team, he would need access to VPN and Teams. If a person joins under admin team, he would need access to Jira and Teams. If a person joins under IT team, he would need access to GitHub, Azure, Teams and Jira. So these are the individual requests a person from this team will make. Give me VPN access, give me Teams access. A person who joins under admin team would raise a request for Jira and Teams individually, and system admin will take care of these requests. System admin will give access to VPN, he will give access to Teams, and all these are individual accesses. So if there are limited number of persons, 1 or 2%, it is easy. But if there are thousands and lakhs of people who are joining this team and leaving the team, so it is very difficult for system admin to take care of these requests and to do access reviews for all of the team members, which team member needs which access. So there is a concept called catalog. So catalog will contain list of all the resources that a company needs for its working, and there is a concept called access packages. Now access packages is the individual list of resources that a particular team needs. So for HR, there is an HR access package which contains VPN access and Teams. So, and for admin there is Jira and Teams, and for IT the access package would contain GitHub, Azure, Teams and Jira. So they don't need whole list of resources that a company has, only a specific bundle of resources. So that consists of access packages. Now there is a concept called entitlement management. It takes care of all the accesses, which person need which resource access and for what time duration. So that is taken care by entitlement management. Let's see a demo of catalog and access packages. We are in the page of Entra ID. You can see this is Entra ID page, and we will go to identity governance. From here we need to check for catalogs. So this is catalog. We need to create catalog for our ABC company. So we click on new catalog. We will put name ABC catalog. ABC. So description, list of all the resources. This should be enabled for users, and for external users like for other tenants, tenant B, tenant C, we need to enable. We have to make it yes, then we'll click on create. So now our catalog would be created. our ABC company catalog is created. Now we need to add resources in this, so we will click on resources, and from here we will add resources, list of all the resources that ABC company will use. After that we will come to access packages, and from here we will create access packages for our catalog. So it would be containing HR access package, admin access package, and IT access packages. So HR access package will contain all the list of resources that are required by HR team. IT access package will contain list of all the resources that are required by IT team. So this way we will create our access packages.